Welcome to the Waylight. Today's passage for the reflection is taken from the Gospel according to St. Matthew, chapter 8, verses 1 to 4. Today's Gospel passage is a very interesting one. Jesus heals a leper. A leper came to Jesus and asked, "Lord, if you will, you can make me clean." Jesus tells as a reply, "I will." And then Jesus added one more action. He touched the leper. He touched and healed the leper. The healing can be in two ways, by saying a word or by touching. But Jesus pretended to touch that person. Healing through touching. Jesus would have thought that the society always is against the leper. So I can go with the society. I can think according to the society. And without touching, I can just make him clean. If I touch him, I will also be unclean. So why to go against the society? Jesus would have thought in that way. But still, Jesus said him, "I will." Then added on to that, he touched the person. From this we can understand that when we ask certain thing to God, "Lord, do you will to help me in this way?" And then God will take two steps. If we are stepping to God once, then God will step twice towards us. So that's the thing. We do think that this is the twist of the story, but actual twist is not this. We do think that Jesus, when the leper asked him whether do you will, then Jesus says, "I do will," and added to that, he touched the person also. We do think in that way, and we do think that this is the twist of the story, but this is not the twist of this incident. From the beginning, when we go, we can understand that the leper, when he saw Jesus, he came and knelt before Jesus. According to that period of time, nobody would kneel before other person except the Yahweh. But here, this leper has got the realization that Jesus is the Messiah, the coming Messiah, the awaited Messiah for a long period of time. He understood that, and he came and knelt before Jesus. So, moved by this only, Jesus gave another move. See, as the leper came and knelt before Jesus, he was going against the society. By getting some sort of inspiration, he's going against the society. In the same way, as a reply, Jesus also is stepping forward something that which is not applicable to the society, but he is thinking just out of box. Both the persons, the leper and Jesus, as a reply, thought out of box. So this can be seen in today's gospel passage. So as a Christian, we have to think out of box. In order to think out of box, we will have the Spirit within us. So let us ask God's special grace in order to have the Spirit within us. Thus we will be able to guide others by the power of God, by the will of God. May God bless us all.